A trade directory, also known as an importer's directory, is an essential tool for modern businesses, especially those involved in international trade. This resource provides reliable and detailed information about companies and suppliers worldwide. Businesses can increase their global reach through a trade directory and build trade relationships with companies worldwide. Using a trade directory, enterprises can access valuable resources such as prices, contacts, product listings, and details about various trade services. In addition, business owners can learn new ways of expanding sales networks and finding new suppliers. A trade directory can be invaluable to businesses seeking opportunities within the international marketplace. A website like a global trade directory is an invaluable asset for companies looking to increase their exposure, sales, and revenue. Listing your company on a website frequented by individuals from countries worldwide allows you to attract customers from faraway places that were previously inaccessible. Having a presence in a global trade directory means tapping into demand from areas you may not have known existed and receiving inquiries from markets that would otherwise be too hard to find. All of this opens up more opportunities for growth, which can potentially help your company increase its profits. Utilizing a global trade directory is an invaluable resource for any business looking to contact international buyers. This directory provides contact information for potential buyers worldwide and is organized across categories such as aluminum, glass, European cars, or agricultural imports/exports. Utilizing one of these directories can open your contact network to countries and organizations that would have been otherwise inaccessible. Establishing good business contact from afar often leads to better export opportunities, making this a highly beneficial asset for all businesses. With the help of a global trade directory, you can reach out to countless international buyers and establish fruitful relationships that can be mutually beneficial. In today's world, global trade has never been more critical. One of the key benefits of using an international trade directory is streamlined communication between businesses worldwide. With such powerful search capabilities, importers can quickly and easily find products and goods they wish to import from Europe and other parts of the world. Furthermore, sellers of goods can list their products for potential buyers in one place rather than manually contacting multiple customers. By facilitating efficient communication between businesses engaged in global trade, a trust-based relationship is built, leading to more reliable business transactions. The importance of effective communication in today's world cannot be overstated. With a global trade directory, those involved in international trading have an invaluable asset at their fingertips that has proven itself time and time again as an essential tool for success. A global trade directory site, such as access to market data, informs business decisions by providing commodity prices and market trends data. This data can be used to expand businesses' understanding of the competitive landscape and highlight growth opportunities. For instance, influential organizations like Amazon and Apple have leveraged market data to grow their company's reach and capitalize on available resources. Large and small companies can access this invaluable intelligence totally free through a global trade directory site. With the correct information at their fingertips, businesses can increase their efficiency and expand effectively with the help of access to market data. A global trade directory is an important business tool that can help increase a company's credibility and functions across the international trade landscape. It serves as a compiled record of global business operations and functions, offering legitimacy to companies within the worldwide market. The credibility of being listed in such a directory can benefit various businesses as recognition increases, and they gain access to other opportunities due to their inclusion. For instance, fashion retailer Zara has been able to use its listing within high-value online directories such as Alibaba.com to increase its client base, brand awareness, and financial success. Similarly, by utilizing programs and functions in directories like Manta Trade, many other companies have reached new potential customers even further along their supply chains and markets for their goods that may not have been possible before listing with a global trade directory. Leveraging a global trade directory as a cost-effective marketing tool can be an invaluable asset for businesses of all sizes. By being listed in the guide, companies can significantly increase the exposure of their products or services. This helps raise brand awareness across international and local markets, generating new leads and boosting sales figures. With the right strategy, businesses can use their listing efficiently while staying within budget. Many well-known companies have successfully used global trade directories, including details such as promotional videos, discount codes, or social media posts. They have managed to reach more customers and expand their reach exponentially. This is a surefire way for businesses to experience growth cost effectively. A global trade directory has numerous advantages to businesses looking to expand their customer base across borders. It provides an exhaustive list of products and services worldwide and information about business trends and economic data in multiple countries. Further, an excellent global trade directory will offer specific insights into foreign markets regarding laws, customs, and supply chain networks necessary for successful trading. Not only is this invaluable information to the small business owner or entrepreneur looking to go international, but large companies can also benefit from a global trade directory if they expand their enterprise's reach beyond grid lines. By utilizing this resource, companies can quickly source quality materials that might not be available locally, establish meaningful partnerships with suppliers abroad, yet ensure full compliance with local regulations. Despite its practical application in modern business practices, what truly makes a global trade directory so influential is its emphasis on global dialogue, fostering mutual understanding between different cultures, ideas, and beliefs, traits that cannot be easily quantified in terms of cost effectiveness and profit margins.